Okay, sixth question. Start timer. Okay. A block rests on a frictionless horizontal surface. An air rifle pellet is fired horizontally into the block and remains embedded in the block. Okay, it hits here, it gets embedded. Embedded means what? It sticks to the block. When I say it sticks to the block, what kind of problem is this? This is a collision. What kind of collision is this? This is an inelastic collision. Okay, in an inelastic collision, the moment we say elastic or inelastic, what is possible there? In an elastic collision, COM and COE is possible. In an inelastic collision, what happens? COM is possible. What? COE is not possible. Right. What happens to total kinetic energy, total momentum? So what happens here is the kinetic energy reduces because there is a cohesive force involved in this. So kinetic energy should decrease or should decrease. Momentum should not change. Conservation of momentum. So therefore the answer is C. Okay. Let us move on to seventh problem.